first. These coffee cups, they're amazing. Picked these up off Facebook. TrueCraft. Wasn't looking for them. Just come across them. This company's they were around in the 70s, but apparently they're out of business. Cro-Moly. And these, made in Japan. They're SAE. 4 of them. You got the 3/8 and 7/16. Got the 1/2 inch and 9/16. Check that thing pop out when you twist it. Again, Cro-Moly, not that cheap CRV. 5/8 and 11/16. Listen to that click. Here's some Yellow Jackets. Definitely nothing like these bad boys. This one's a Craftsman. Some Malco. And the 3/4 inch. 7/8. Cro-Moly. TrueCraft, made in Japan. B95, B195, B194, 193, and B192. Let's listen to this. These were $20. $20. This is a door craft. This is nothing special. I think this is 72 tooth. Listen to that thing. Pretty solid too, man. They used to make these back in the 70s, probably the 80s. I think they went out of business in the early 2000s. This TrueCraft company, they were based in Jersey and apparently made tools out of Japan for a little while. Pretty cool though. Pretty cool find, especially for $20. SAE though. Nothing's really SAE anymore. But for $20,